Moosend is an affordable email marketing platform used by businesses of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500 companies. With an easy-to-use interface, intuitive automation, and advanced lead segmentation, Moosend provides the robust set of tools you need to build and maintain strong customer relationships. The company has an intuitive user interface that is easy to navigate and quickly learned by newbies. It's extremely easy to create marketing campaigns with an intuitive drag-and-drop editor that makes it easy to create engaging emails from scratch. Moosend includes over 40 different templates. Moosend includes advanced automation features in all of its plans, even for free trial accounts. Moosend Automation uses a visual workflow designer that includes welcome emails to subscribers, abandoned cart reminders, and even lead ratings. There is also a library of recipes to help you save time during the setup process. We really love that Moosend provides all of its features across all of its plans, compared to some of its competitors who charge extra for some of their more advanced features. While Moosend provides many email capabilities, the software is not intended to be as an all-in-one marketing solution. Registration forms are extremely simple and require customization with code, and the built-in integration is very limited. Moosend also doesn't offer additional marketing tools such as landing pages, which means you can combine Moosend with other systems to suit your needs. While Moosend is a small company compared to some of its more established competitors, its affordable pricing structure suits businesses on a tight budget, and its range of industry-leading email features ensure you don't have to compromise on functionality. Moosend provides users with an easy way to send emails to existing subscriber lists. Like other email marketing providers, Moosend includes a step-by-step campaign creation wizard that guides users through the process of creating email campaigns. To start a new campaign, users must first select the campaign type normal or test A/B campaign. Regular campaigns are one-off emails sent to existing subscriber list, while A/B test campaigns allow you to compare different email variations to maximize performance and delivery. Moosend has several A/B split testing options, and you can test variations on things like the subject of your email and the content in each email to choose the one that gives the best conversion results. After choosing your campaign type and subscriber list, you can create newsletters using the Moosend's drag-and-drop campaign editor. The editor is intended for beginners, which means that users with no technical or programming skills can easily create engaging newsletters from scratch using movable containers and elements. There are about 40 built-in templates available, useful for a wide variety of industries, from real estate to e-commerce. The choice of templates is a bit underwhelming, but the editor is very intuitive, which means you can customize and match your brand without too much hassle and effort. If you have previous experience with HTML, Moosend also gives you the ability to edit code along with a visual builder, allowing you to visualize changes as your project develops. Another new feature that can improve your conversions is Moosend Countdown emails. If you feel an urgency or perceived lack, it will help your followers quickly make a decision and act. As an example, you can include a timer in your email to showcase a trade that will expire in a few days, or even a countdown timer to create uncertainty ahead of an upcoming event. Before launching your campaign, Moosend offers some handy tests to help you improve the deliverability and design of your email. You can send your newsletter to the tester's email address provided to see how effective your design is, in addition to running a content spam test, ensuring that your email goes to each recipient's inbox and not their spam folder. After sending an email, you can see an overview of the performance of your recent campaign in the dashboard. You can quickly analyze important information such as open and click-through rates, as well as the number of subscribers sent by email. When choosing an email marketing provider, it's important to consider how easy it is to attract existing subscribers or add new ones. Moosend provides several different download options, including CSV or Excel compatibility, copy and paste contact information, or import existing contacts from Google or Salesforce. A key component of sending emails to the right audience at the right time is list segmentation. Moosend lets you collect detailed information about your subscribers that you can see to create targeted listings. Custom fields can be added as text, date, time, drop-down, and checkboxes, all of which can be customized to collect any information you want. For example, you can collect your subscribers' birthday data to send them the personalized email. Custom fields can be specified as optional or required, although it is important to know that the required information will be required every time you add or import new subscribers to your list, or when adding subscribers through registration forms. Once you've collected relevant data about your followers, you can segment your list. Moosend offers an extensive list of criteria to easily segment your listing, including click links, mobile devices and computers, specific user actions, and even the use of predefined custom fields. It's also worth noting that if a subscriber appears on multiple lists, they only count once within your subscriber limit, whereas in other marketing systems, they can be counted more than once for your subscriber limit if they subscribe in different ways. Moosend includes a basic sign-up form that you can embed on your website to collect email subscribers. At this point, the form is very limited and lacks the functionality that other providers include. Also, there is currently no easy way to customize each form. To change the appearance of the registration form and match your brand, you will need to change the HTML provided after it was added to your site. Moosend automation is included in all of its plans, including the free plan. This feature provides a great way to send relevant posts to your lead at the right time and increase your conversion rate. Advanced workflows, so-called recipes, can be created from scratch using the constructor, making it easier to create targeted automation by allowing you to specify different triggers, conditional or control steps and actions filled in when certain criteria are met. One interesting filter is the ability to filter by weather conditions at contact location. By using recipient geolocation, an advanced conditional filter can separate automation based on weather conditions. For example, you can target users where it is raining now and send a message to remind them not to forget the umbrella for a more personalized experience. While this might not be the most appropriate feature for your use case, it shows the level of detail you can achieve with Moosend filters. Moosend also provides several preset recipes to help you save time and quickly build an effective automation campaign. Each recipe includes selected main tasks, and you only need to add conditions. There are many different types of recipes available, but the most popular are abandoned cart, thanks new customers, special offer reminders, and welcome email sequence. Unfortunately, one area that Moosend lacks when compared to the competition is built-in integration. Moosend has a particularly limited selection. There are some useful integrations, however, such as the Moosend WordPress subscription form plugin and the WooCommerce plugin. Zapier was recently introduced, which allows users to connect to and use hundreds of different apps, although this requires an additional subscription. Users can view information about each campaign in real time in the reports section, which offers an excellent overview of openings, clicks and bounces. By clicking on each campaign, you can view the activity of individual recipients, compare email clients and mobile tracking, and track where each email was viewed. Moosend is ready to help with all questions via live chat and open an application using the form. If you don't have much of a problem and just want to learn more about navigating its user interface, Moosend provides ample resources for that as well. These include downloadable webinars. A Moosend expert will teach you everything you need to know about the many ways to create a landing page, automate an email sequence, and more. You just need to enter your email address and a free webinar will be sent to you. Their blog provides shorter, faster guides and other tips and tricks for maneuvering Moosend. Academy is a complete in-depth course on how to improve your user experience and important email marketing tips. Informative infographics that Moosend claims will add value to your emails. Keep in mind that most of these infographic is from 2018, so perhaps you could just use them as a rough personal guide. For an email marketing system with a healthy set of automation and analytics features, Moosend pricing remains one of their strengths. If your small business has less than 1,000 subscribers, you can use Moosend for free. From now on, you can also upgrade to the $8 Pro plan and get up to 2,000 subscribers. Or change your preferences even further depending on your subscription base. It can go up to $608 per month for 200,000 subscribers. For large businesses and businesses, you can request a fully customized quote from the Moosend sales team. All Moosend plans include unlimited email sent, full automation, access to all major templates, and real-time analytics. Keep in mind that the free plan excludes features like the landing page feed and your own SMTP server. There is even a treat for random email senders, and in the form of loans as you use it. These credits do not expire, so after purchasing them, you can keep them and use them only if absolutely necessary.